this piece. I so love it. I really had fun playing with the squeegee and making a variety of patterns. And although I've kind of made this kind of foggy background, blended background, you can see the layers from the very first ones that I laid down on the canvas underneath, okay? So again, I think I've mentioned this before, when it comes to abstract art, if you're not an artist, the painting never looks like what it's going to look like. It can be a hot mess until it's completed. So trust in the process, because that is the process. And it's all those finishing details that bring it all together. But I absolutely love my line marks. And the cool thing about it is it gives the illusion that it's textured in terms of height, like thickness, like you would feel it like as if you used sand or something else, but it's completely flat. And I love that. And I tried something new, which is I overlapped the comb marks, and as you can see, it creates this beautiful kind of three-dimensional look. And I absolutely love it. Horizontal, the circles. I love all the scumming and the scraping and the dragging there. That created some really beautiful effects. And again, with the colors and the depth, I love this here. That is so cool with the squeegee. I love that. That's a note for patterns that I love. And I'm super happy with this. And I love the entire composition. So thank you so much for being here, everybody. If you guys enjoyed it and you're enjoying my work and you're here often, I'd really appreciate it if you can hit that like button. Please subscribe. Definitely comment with your thoughts. I always love to engage with you guys. And feel free to share. So stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tuned for the quick close-up. And I'll see you all in the next pour or painting.